Hi my beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my two looks for New Year's Eve. I have two different kind of looks today. One is a very soft glam makeup look. As you all can see, it's very subtle, it's soft, yet has some glam quotient to it. This is apt for someone who just don't like to do much on New Year's Day but still wanna look really pretty and put together. This is something that you can go for because it has some glitz, some glamour, but yet it's a very subtle look. You can absolutely rock this look, any time of the day. It looks absolutely stunning. Whereas the other look is ultra glamorous. If you want to look not just like a snack, but want to look like a whole meal on New Year's Eve, this is for those kind of people. It definitely takes your makeup game to a next level. And also, if you're attending a good New Year's Eve party or you just want to sit at home and just feel stunning, then this is the look for you. And before jumping on to the video, definitely take a moment to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. And now let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with a clean face, and I'm going to use this Calabar Water Bomb moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer for some hydration. And next I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. I'm going to take 2 pumps of it. This is again a very beautiful foundation. It has a medium coverage and it gives a skin-like finish. I just recently got this foundation, but so quickly became one of my most favorite foundations ever. And I'm just going to buff this foundation into my skin with the help of this foundation brush. And next I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Again, I'm going to use this concealer on the usual areas, on the places where I want to like highlight my face and hide all of my imperfections, my pigmentation, my dark circles and all of that. I'm again going to just buff and blend the concealer into my skin using this smaller concealer brush. This is actually perfect to just conceal the smaller areas of your face. And again, all I'm doing here is just buff and blend into your skin. No dragging motions, just pat and buff. And this particular concealer is so good. It has full coverage and also it doesn't like dry up my face. It's one of the best drugstore concealers for dry skin. And once I'm done applying, lastly I'm just going to take a beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend everything together so everything looks more blended. And then to set my concealer in place, I'm going to take this K Beauty Ultra HD loose powder, and this is in the shade Latte, and I'm just going to press that powder into my skin to just like lock all of my concealer. This powder just makes your skin look very soft and gives a nice airbrush look. And then for my bronzer, I'm going to be taking this Milani Sun Drenched Silky Matte Bronzer. This is such a stunning bronzer, you guys. I'm not sure if it is available here in India, but it's a very pretty bronzer. Quality is so finely milled, it just gives like a nice airbrush effect. It's one of the best drugstore bronzers I've used. Again, I'm just going to use on the usual areas to just chisel out my face and give some definition. And I'm also going to do some nose contour and apply that bronzer underneath my lips. And next, for my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Hot Heat eyeshadow palette. And again, this particular eyeshadow palette has some beautiful cool tone shades. And I'm first going to take that sort of like a mauvey brown shade, and I'm going to apply this on my crease. Now this was such a bummer because this palette is not good for mattes and the color didn't even show up on my skin. So that's why I took this K Beauty Self Love palette, and I'm going to be using that blush tone color. It's called Blush. So I'm just going to take that shade and apply on my outer corners and also in my crease to just add like a transition shade. And again, I'm going to take it both on my inner corners and my outer corners and just like wing that outer corners as well. As I said, this is a very pretty color and adds a nice transition. And then from that LA Girl palette, I'm going to take this beautiful cool toned shimmer shade. I'm just going to just press that glitter lightly on my skin so it looks like the shimmer is shattered all around my eyelids. And then I'm going to take this cool tone dark brown shade from the palette, and I'm just going to slightly wing my eyes. Again, whenever I'm going with soft tone looks, this is something I like to do to add some definition for my eyes. I don't like to use black shades. I mostly use a nice dark brown color, and since this is a cool tone look, this cool tone brown looks stunning. And then I'm going to just curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And this is the Maybelline Falsies the Lash Lift Mascara, one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. And again, I'm going to go back to that dark brown shade and just going to apply on the inner corners of my eye to add more definition. And moving on to my face, you guys, I'm going to be taking this Milani blush. This is such a pretty blush color. Again, I forgot the blush shade. I'm going to add it in the description, so don't forget to check it out. And this is such a pretty, like a matte blush. This particular shade ties in with the entire eye look that is going on, so absolutely stunning. And lastly, for my highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Made Illuminizer by the Balm. This is such a stunning, like popping highlighter. Since we're going with cool tone looks, you don't have to use warm highlighters or golden highlighters or something like that, so this is perfect. And then for my lips, you guys, I'm going to be taking the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tough with Brandy. Again, one of my favorite colors, such a pretty color. And since you're going with like soft eyes, you can definitely use a little darker color on your lips. But if you even don't want to use this shade, you can absolutely use some other, like like a light mauve color. Even that would look absolutely stunning. Just going to spray this setting spray to lock my makeup in place. And lastly, I'm also doing my brows because I had forgotten to do my brows before. So yeah guys, that completes my first look, which is this soft glam makeup look. So next, moving on to my ultra glamorous look. Again, I'm going to start off with that taking that same dark brown shade that we use like an eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply this on the outer V, and I'm just going to drag it into like a V shape to just intensify my outer corners of my eye and also to define my outer corners. I'm also going to take the same dark brown shade on my crease, I would say all the way up until half of my crease, and then to intensify and to smoke out and make that even more glamorous, I'm going to add this black shade from the same palette. I'm just taking this black shade on an angle again on the outer corners of my eye, and I'm just going to intensify my outer corners. And then I'm going to go back to that blush color from the K Beauty, so that it just ties up with this entire look, and that's like a beautiful transition. And after doing that, I felt like I have to add a little more black, intensify that that black smokiness. So that's why I'm adding more black to my eyes on the outer corners and just intensifying it. And lastly, I'm going to take the same that cool toned, almost like a grayish shimmer, and just like pack it all the way up until half of my eyelids, and also use a little on my lower lash line. As you all can see from my previous look to this, how stunning this metallic shade is. The metallics and shimmers in this eyeshadow palette is stunning, and that's what sold me to this palette. And to like smoke out my eyes even more and to add some definition, I'm going to use some kajal. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Kajal, and again I'm just going to do that cat eye wing on my inner corners, and I'm also going to like smoke out on both my upper and lower lash line to give that smoky effect. And I'm also going to slightly give like a very tiny wing, again going back with the smudger brush and just smudging out that kajal to make it look a little more smoky. And lastly, I'm going to add some lashes to this look. And for my lips, again I'm taking the same MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Burnt Spice, and I'm just going to apply this. Again, as you all can see, it is a very light shade. Yeah, I definitely felt like I had to add a little bit of lip liner, so I'm using the PAC Plush lip liner. Again, this is a very pretty pinky lip liner, goes absolutely stunning with this particular liquid lipstick. And then moving on to my face, I'm just going to add more blush and more highlighter, everything a little more, because once you have enhanced your eye makeup look, all of your face makeup tends to look a little like dull and toned down. And to just enhance everything else, like just adding a little more will balance things out. Not changed any other makeup. I'm using the same old makeup, just with a little more intensity. Yeah guys, that completes my ultra glamorous makeup look. Oh my god, this is again so stunning, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you all next time with another glamorous video. Bye guys.